Greetings and welcome to BK Beacons King Graphic Design to Tech. Today we are going to dive into our next lesson. So you open to your Pixelab. So we're going to be looking at how to create logo. Yes, we're going to do some minute logo design in Pixelab. So you're going to the first thing is that we're going to get rid of the text. Yeah, get rid of text. And we go to your polygon icon. We click on shapes. That is the first thing. You click on shapes. You're going to take a cycle. Then other cycle, you're going to give it a fill color. That is, scroll down to a fill color, give it this color. Then below that, you're going to give it a stroke, a dark stroke. That's a black stroke. Okay. To remove a little bit up, you enable the stroke, you increase. Take a tick, reduce it to this level. Now the next thing is that you're going to use relative position to centralize this at the center, as we have done. We take a copy of this, we go to color, we enable color, and give it a gray color, kind of grayish. We're going to reduce the size of this. Exactly. Then the next thing that we're doing, we're going to use again the same principle of relative position this at the center. So this is well positioned. It is well positioned. Now the next thing is that we're going to have a lock of this, or better still, just have a mesh of the two. You have a mesh of the two. Then next we're going to have a write up. Yes, you can write your name or any other thing that you want to be recognized as. Yeah, this might be your logo. Yes, as well as you're designing. So increase the size to this level. Good. So we're going to use relative position this at the center. Then we're going to give it a bold color, a bold style. Make it bold and change the color to black. Change the color to black. Yes. Show this. Let's centralize this one again. Mm-hmm. I desire that we use a different font on this. Yes, on this particular design. Yes, so I will get a font that I had. Yes, so we are going to use the Batsy paragraph font. Yes, you won't have this font in your Pixel Lab, though I will just send this. These lessons have been done at or in the other lessons. There's no as and how you can be able to get your font. So we just use this particular font. So take an enablement. We reduce the size of this. Take it to a center. You increase the size. Yes, to this level. So we are going to give it a shadow effect. Let's just enable the shadow effect. Yes, this is okay. We're going to take a mesh of the two. Take a mesh. So you can take again your shapes, take a tick, so you reduce this. Before that, let's lock base to avoid any distraction. The next thing is that we're going to take a copy of this. It's not perfect yet. Still not perfect. So make sure you can use your alignment. This is vertical alignment. So it still needs to be moved up. Exactly to this level. Next, we're going to merge the three aspects together. So after merging, we are going to go to erase color. So you enable this. Then you're going to increase the tolerance. Yes, to 26. Take a tick. Take a tick. Take shapes. Okay. Take shape. We are going to give it a color. Same color of what we did. We are going to use relative size. You use that. Next, we're going to merge the two again. We merge this last two, and yes, this is good. Then we are going to give it the shadow effect. Okay, shadow effect. Shadow effect. We're going to reduce the offset. Oh, let's see. So okay, to have this, then the blur is too much. Yes, yes. Putting the blur reduce at 3 is going to be okay. And next, we're going to go to this three dotted icon up here. We are going to choose image size. Go to image size. Now on image size, you're going to click where there's icon, this arrow down. We are going to select you're going to select Facebook. Yes, cover. Okay, take a tick. Take a tick on that. You're going to reduce the size to this level. Then the next thing is that we are going to give it a background. Okay, a background color. So we are literally done. So this is already our logo. Before that, let's take a right up. Take a right up. So BK logo. So we're going to increase the size of this. Okay. Let's take a tick. Let me lock all these. Let's take a tick on this, which is size. To be minimum like this, we use rate position or position itself. Move this down. So with that, so with that, this is actually the last thing of our logo. So we have recreated our logo. Yes, we have recreated the logo. You can go as far as changing the background. Yes, to any texture of your choice. Listen right. Yes, just you see that this particular one is not really good. It's not really fitting. So you can change and change and change. So as a changing the background, you looking which of the background will coincide with the logo. Okay, so that's one thing. So these are some of the backgrounds that are really acquainted towards it. So with that, we are going to take it save. So you can save this as a project. Say just a project. The logo. Okay, we save it as a project. So this marks the end of our tutorial for today. So um in the master's class, we are going to look at various varieties of logo designs. For instance, right, yes, we are going to come up with some logo design like let me just show them. Let's just go and show some of the logo design that we are going to work in the master's class. I'll just show some of them. Yes. So this is one of the logo design. This is the another logo design. We yes, this is another logo design that we're going to work on at the level of your master's class. Yeah, this one as well, and many, yes, many more. Yes, with this as well, and yes, I won't be having so much time to really kind of go through the logo design. These are there are so many complicated logo design that we're going to work on. Yes, so you do stay tuned to our class and make sure that you submit your assignment and do challenge yourself as well. Yes, you should not just be held on the bound. Okay, so do you make sure that you submit your assignment, like the video, and subscribe for more videos or lessons. Stay tuned and make sure that you partake in every lesson that we carry on alongside.